Guru Nation, I wanted to do a motivational video for you today. Keep it short and sweet. There's so many, I've done videos on networking, how to 10x your opportunities. You've got to network, okay? Network with people, network on LinkedIn, write posts that people want to read or watch or listen to or look at the image. Okay, that's really it. Like, find posts. On my Patreon channel, I actually talk about LinkedIn a lot. 2020 is going to be huge for LinkedIn. But I wanted to make this video about getting started. So a lot of you guys and gals, I'm getting questions from, whether it's wanting to start a site, or whether it's wanting to become a CRA, or wanting to become a CRC, or just wanting any position in the industry. Or maybe you are a CRA and you want to open a site, or you want to be a consultant, or you want to start speaking, or move up in your career. Okay, the thing that it all boils down to first is networking and talking to more people about what you want to accomplish. I mean, literally, and obviously a lot of you guys don't want to post on LinkedIn when your employers are reading what you write, that you're a CRA that wants to own a site. I mean, that's understandable. But you can private message people, right? You can email people about this. You can meet face-to-face with people and talk about this at conferences and at ACRP meetups and SOCRA meetups. So getting started is the first step, and really the first step is networking with people, talking to people about what you want. So many people overthink things, they overcomplicate things. In this industry, this industry is full of intelligent people. So the inclination is to overthink and overanalyze. But you know what? That should not come at the expense of getting started, and literally just getting started. And it starts with networking and talking to people. All right, so for example, you want to open up a site. I don't care if you're someone who doesn't know anything about research, or if you're an experienced CRA for 20 years. If you want to open up a site, the first thing you need to do is find a PI willing to work with you, okay? There's no point in thinking about your systems or your SOPs, or even a business plan for that matter, or where you're going to get patients from. Those things need to come. Those are all important. That's going to determine whether your business is successful or not. But the first step, reverse engineering it to the first step, is finding the PI. After that, then you can look at, okay, does the PI have an office, a private practice? Because that takes care of whether you're going to need to get a lease to lease your own office space, and also whether you're going to need to worry about recruitment. Because if PI has a private practice, you know the best source of recruitment comes from the PI's own database, the physician's own private practice. So worry about the first things. Put first things first. It's a really good book written by Stephen Covey, the guy who wrote 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. And so you guys need to be doing this as well. If you're a job seeker, all right, what's the first thing you need to do? Besides networking, because I talked about networking. Networking is the first, middle, and last thing you need to do. Networking needs to be integrated into all your activities. The first thing you need to do if you're a job seeker, besides networking and talking to more people, is knowledge. Understanding what you don't know. Because if you want to be a coordinator, but you have no experience, you need to understand the fundamentals of clinical research. Okay, that's the first thing. If you are already a coordinator, let's say you're a coordinator for psychiatry studies, but you want to move into oncology studies, or you want to be an oncology CRA, well, you have the fundamentals of clinical research. You now just are lacking the oncology knowledge. So instead of thinking about, okay, when am I going to get ACRP certified? I do think ACRP certification is good. But instead of thinking about all these crazy things, think about what you need to do first. Okay, that's the most important thing. So put first things first, and whatever it is that you're trying to do, reverse engineer it, and you have a logical order of progression. Instead of thinking about everything at once and then getting analysis paralysis and not doing anything, which I see happen so often. So break big things, big goals into small tasks. Good luck. Let me know how this goes. Hopefully it helps. Let me know in the comments. Thanks.